Hey, it's Andy with Carter Chevrolet out here in Okarche, Oklahoma. I'm going to be showing you a 2016 GMC Canyon SLE 3 SLE package. Super nice truck. Watch the video. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout. 405-229-4159. Nice truck, loaded up, four-wheel drive, crew cab, only 22,000 miles, has a rear sliding window, front leather bucket seats, 8-inch color screen with navigation and Apple CarPlay, 3.6 liter V6, trailering package, rear backup camera, premium Bose audio system, 17-inch blades, silver metallic, cast aluminum wheels, has a driver alert package with forward collision alert and lane departure warnings. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, again, give me a shout, 405-229-4159. This is Andy with Carter Chevrolet, Okarche, Oklahoma. Come get this truck, because if you don't, someone else will.